Today, I'm walking over the Fariview lift bridge in Cartwright, North Dakota. So while you're looking up at this gigantic concrete counterweight dangling above your head, here's some information about this bridge. While now closed to both rail and vehicular travel, the Fariview Bridge has another claim to fame. It adjoins the only train tunnel in North Dakota, which I'm going to walk through in a minute. 1,456-foot-long tunnel was built in 1912 and 1913. Most of the digging was done by hand, although horse and mule-drawn scrapers and blasting powder were used in building the approaches. Ooh, that's pretty. Both the Fariview Bridge and Cartwright Tunnel have been developed into a walking trail by the Fariview Chamber. The only time the lift span on the Fariview Bridge over the Yellowstone River was raised was 1914, shortly after construction as part of an ambitious plan by the Great Northern Railroad for its never-completed Montana Eastern Railway. That and, I'd assume riverboat traffic kind of dried up about that time, too. We got some guys roofing this mansion over here, which I don't really mind. Can't hear it very well on the other side of the bridge, but it would be nice if, you know, it was just nature. Oh, man. Do I? No, maybe not on camera. Hey. Well, hey, pigeons are fine as long as it's not bats. All I can hear is the ringing of my tinnitus and my footsteps. Apparently pigeons can see in the dark. Fuck, that set me on edge. This is probably just a video of me walking in the dark at this point. I doubt the camera's good enough. Pigeons, you could quit flying around at any time now. I think I see the other end. I'm just gonna walk over here by the edge. It's my cell phone light. It's not bright enough to light up anything. I can at least see where I'm going. Like not stepping on any weird holes or rail ties or beer cans. Well, I can't tell if you guys can even see anything or not from my camera preview, but bring a flashlight or your cell phone or whatever, just to make sure you're not stepping on anything, because you know there's raised edges, but you know there's little dips and stuff on the floor, the occasional rock, but it's otherwise really smooth. There we go. There's some light. How's the Metallica song go? When it comes to being the soothing light at the end of your tunnel, it's just a freight train coming your way. Well, there never was a freight train here, so well, as far as I know from what I read. Well, that was probably a fun 3 to 4 minutes in the dark for you guys, with me rambling. I think I need to start exercising a little more, because the last time I went on a couple mile hike on a motorcycle ride, my shins hurt, or the muscles in my lower leg hurt for about 4 days. This is probably going to do the same thing. Whatever. Well, whatever's in here, it's setting off my allergies. Sorry for all the sniffing. Bunny. You're not scared of nothing, are you, little guy? Or are you really scared? Okay, how far does that go? I'm already over the river, so that must just go on for ever. Look at the map here. Yeah, it just keeps going on that way for a long time. Well, my bike's back this way, so that's the way I'm gonna go. Left hand rail, not attached to anything, completely rusted out.